What's good, guys? Today we're working on a pair of custom Crocs with the Dallas Cowboys theme. We know that many people consider the Dallas Cowboys to be America's team. Being a Steelers fan, I don't really agree with that, but it's not about us in this video, so I'm gonna let it slide. We know that the Cowboys started out in 1960. They were originally called the Dallas Steers, and they switched to the Dallas Rangers. The blue, the white, silver has always been their colors, and every time you see that star, you know it's the Cowboys. Being a 90s kid, we know that, during our time, it was Troy Aikman, Emmitt Smith, and Michael Irvin. We know that the Cowboys actually won 5 Super Bowls. My Steelers, 6. I'm gonna just go ahead and get to this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so step 1 in customizing these Crocs, we have to prep them up with the acetone. Thankfully they don't have laces or anything, so we can just move forward with the acetone and we'll be good to go. Also, before we lay down the paint, we have to put down our adhesion promoter so that the paint can stick well to this foam material that the Crocs are made out of. Alright, so we let that dry for a couple of minutes. So now we're coming in with step 2, which is to lay down the white paint layer. Okay, so we let those air out a little bit. Now we're going to move to weeding out the stencils in preparation for using them later in the custom. First, we're going to weed out the Dallas Cowboys star. Now we're going to weed out the Dallas Cowboys lettering. Wait, hold up, pause. Thank y'all so much. We've crossed 1,000 subscribers. We're probably at 1,500 right now, so y'all have been killing it. Now all we need is the watch hours, so stick throughout this video, watch my other videos. Let's get those 4,000 so I can fully get monetized and do a whole lot more on this channel. So thank y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's get back into it. Peace. Now we're going to lay down the stencil and start working on our navy blue paint layer. Alright, so next up we're going to start working in the added details where we'll be laying down the stars around the shoe. Now we're going to lay in the actual Cowboys logo on the left Croc. And we're going to splatter in some white paint, give them a little bit more stars, and keep on moving. Thank you for sticking through this video. Now, as we see the final product, I'm gonna give you guys the motivational quote. You gotta be you until being you hinders you from being who you wanna be. It's been your boy, PAiRANORMAL. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.